This video is to demonstrate a new feature of RuleMaker. When you go into Course Credits Automated, you're looking at transfer credit for Julia from Cornell College. You can see that sometimes you'll get no rule found, and you need to determine what course to grant credit for. So we have the Load History button, in which you can see exact courses that may have credit that may have been granted previously for the exact same course from the exact same school, Cornell College, English Lit, African American Writing. But you can see that Load History in this case returns nothing. So the new feature that we've added is similar, because although I don't have any student that I've granted credit for that exact course from that exact school, I may have other students from other schools that I've granted credit for, and that might help inform my decision. So by selecting this box here, I can say, let me look at similar credit that I've granted to other students. So let's click similar. And now we've done a keyword search through my historical credit for any school. You can see now I'm not just looking at Cornell College, I'm looking at any other school that I've granted credit with any of these keywords, African, American, or writing, AM or write. And so it's doing a keyword search, and you can see that I've found from many different schools, I've accepted credit with one of those keywords in it, American, writing, or African. And so this will help inform my decision. I can sort this by this grid, and I can see now that I have 3 students. Here's the 3 students that I've granted credit from Florida State for African American writing. So I might just want to say, well, I gave them all this equivalency. Let's go ahead and pull this into the page. So I can just select, and it'll pull that into the page. Now, I can even refine my search. So I might say, let me look at anything containing the keyword American coming from a university. So let's perform my search. Now you can see that I have all of these historical credits that I've granted from any university. These are Florida State, this is University of Northern Iowa. So I can sit here and I can look for certain subjects. So I might say I'm only interested in English as the incoming subject, or containing ENG. So I can refine my search further and see that I've granted credit to these 2 students. I can further refine by catalog number. I can even refine by particular schools that the credit is coming from. But once I've narrowed down my search, I can go ahead and select this. I'm going to be granting credit for English Comp 100. So I'm going to go ahead and select that into the page. And you can see that now my African American writing has granted credit for English Comp 100. If I have RuleMaker, I could go ahead and make a rule. So the new feature that we're exploring is a feature called Similar that allows me to look beyond just exact historical matches and look for similar courses that I've granted credit for.